It can be hard to see when you're up at night, but now there's the new Up Down Light. Hi, Michael Padula here, and I'm about to show you the best wireless motion activated light I've come across. It's called the Up Down Light. Its advanced motion sensor will detect movement up to 15 feet away, and the 6 super bright LED bulbs last up to 20,000 hours, and it powers down automatically 20 seconds after you walk away. This is a light that comes on where you need it, when you need it. And the peel and stick wall mount installs in seconds. But the best part about Up Down Light is just what the name suggests, the ability to cast light either up, down, or in both directions at once. Set it to the down setting for path lighting along hallways, stairways, or in the bathroom. This spreads light towards your feet and is perfect for getting up in the middle of the night. Set it to the upward setting to illuminate things like keyholes, inside drawers, or in the garage. And when you really need all the light you can get, set it to both modes at once. Now that's a lot of light. No more digging around under the sink or squinting towards the back of the cabinet. With Up Down Light, you'll have energy-efficient, hands-free lighting in dark spaces all around your home, from the basement floor to the side door. And when the power goes out, no more stressing over wasting that precious phone battery. Sensor Brite Up Down is the ultimate light to guide you through the night.
Stop struggling to see in the dark and make your life brighter with a long-lasting, cordless, motion-activated light, Sensor Brite Up Down from JML. Take yours to the checkout now.